To create a smooth masking transition effect in CapCut for PC, start by dragging your main video onto the timeline and placing a second video you want to transition to on the track above. Duplicate the main video and place the copy on the top track. Adjust all three clips so they end at the same point. Select the top duplicated clip, click Remove Background, and choose Auto Removal to isolate the subject. Select the second video clip on the middle track, go to Mask, and add a split mask. Rotate the mask 90 degrees and drag it to the far right side of the screen to start off-screen. Move the playhead to the beginning of this clip and add a keyframe in the position settings. Move the playhead forward and drag the mask across the screen to the left side, which will automatically add a new keyframe. Play back the timeline to see the transition slide across, revealing the second video behind the isolated subject.